In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an image, remove its background, and replace it with a clean, plain, white backdrop using Gemini's prompt-based workflow. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the Gemini website and sign in. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen setup so you're ready to use images in chats. Once you're in, you'll see the chat area where you can interact with Gemini. Next, upload your file. Look for the plus icon in the chat input area. Click it to attach a file, then locate the image on your device. Choose a clear, well-lit image for the best results. Portraits, product photos, or any subject with good contrast against the background usually work well. After you select your image, you should see a small preview appear in the chat box, confirming it's attached. Now it's time to enter your prompt. In the message field, describe exactly what you want Gemini to do. Be specific and concise. For example, type, "Remove the background of this image, preserving the same specific subject, and make it a plain white background." Clarity matters here. The phrase "preserving the same specific subject" helps Gemini keep the main person or object intact, while plain white background ensures a consistent studio-style result. If your subject has fine details like hair or transparent edges, you can mention that you want clean edges or soft transitions to help maintain realism. Press enter and wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. Generation time can vary depending on the image size and server load, so give it a moment. You'll see the output appear directly in the chat once it's ready. Review the result closely. Edges should look natural, the subject should remain sharp, and the background should be an even white. If the background looks slightly grey or the subject was cropped too tightly, refine your wording and run it again. For instance, ask for a pure white background and to keep the full subject visible. Consistent, descriptive prompts usually improve results. Also, if your image is very dark or low resolution, consider choosing a clearer photo to help the model separate the subject from the background more accurately. That's it. Open your Gemini account, upload your file via the plus icon, enter a clear prompt that asks to remove the background and make it plain white, then press enter and wait for the generated result. Follow these steps and you'll get clean, professional-looking images in just a few moments.